Welcome to Lanna Kamin Pool Villa at Airport, where you can secure your exquisite escape by scanning the QR code on your screen or visiting the link in the description below. Nestled in the heart of Chiang Mai, Thailand, this five-star sanctuary offers a rare departure from the ordinary, designed specifically for the discerning traveler who seeks the ultimate in privacy and refinement. As you step through the grand lobby, you are immediately enveloped in an atmosphere of profound elegance. Unlike traditional hotels, Lanna Kamin Pool Villa at Airport distinguishes itself by offering a single, exquisite villa, ensuring that your stay is defined by absolute exclusivity and unparalleled tranquility. Here, the bustle of the world fades away, replaced by a harmonious blend of traditional Thai architectural grace and the seamless comforts of modern luxury. Every detail of your private sanctuary has been meticulously curated to suit the senses. Within your spacious, beautifully appointed villa, you will find a masterfully designed living space featuring plush furnishings, a sumptuous bed crafted for deep repose, and a luxurious ensuite bathroom that serves as your own personal spa. The centerpiece of your experience, however, is your private pool. Surrounded by lush, verdant greenery and the gentle, soothing melodies of nature, a refreshing dip becomes a meditative ritual, allowing you to reconnect with yourself in total seclusion. Whether you are seeking a romantic getaway or a sophisticated family retreat, our service is tailored to your every whim. We are pleased to welcome families, offering a special policy where children between the ages of 2 and 12 stay free of charge, allowing you to weave beautiful new memories together in an environment of effortless ease. To ensure your departure is as relaxed as your arrival, we offer a leisurely checkout time until noon, allowing you to savor every final moment of your idyllic retreat. For your convenience, complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi and secure parking are always at your disposal. Allow yourself to be embraced by the serene splendor of Chiang Mai's most exclusive hideaway. To begin your journey into a world of unparalleled luxury, please use the QR code provided or refer to the description below to complete your booking.